Let me show you something interesting. This is our projector. I just powered it on. As you can see, the projector has electrically adjusted itself. It has moved up automatically, and you can control this using the remote. This button on the remote lets you control the movement. Just press and hold it for a moment to activate it. If you move it downward, the projector comes down. As you can see, it's lowering. And you can also raise it electrically the same way. The whole process is automatic. And if you turn the projector off, it will automatically return to its original position by itself. See? It's moving back on its own and has turned off. Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Dess Smart Projector, the C4 Pro model. They have provided several features here, such as an actuator, FHD 1080p resolution, Android support, Wi-Fi 6, and HDMI ARC. If we come to this side, we can see more features like auto positioning, autofocus, auto screen alignment, auto obstacle avoidance, intelligent off-axis adjustment, auto keystone, wireless screen mirroring, and eco mode. So first, let's open the box and see what features we actually get inside. At the start, we get the power cord. This is the power cable. Here's the remote. It's a simple and minimalistic white remote with very soft buttons. Some silica gel, a user manual, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Here is the warranty card. Now, this is our main product. As you can see, there's a power button on top. It's a touch button. On this side, we have the sensors. This is the main projection lens, though they didn't provide a cover for it. A lens cover would have been better. At the bottom, there are rubber pads for grip and an adjustable height mechanism. On this side, we have the air ventilation grill. On the projector's input panel, we have a headphone jack, SPDIF, two USB ports, an HDMI port, and an Ethernet port. On this side is the speaker, and the power cord connects here. Both sides have ventilation as well. Here is the IR receiver, the focus camera, and the main lens. Their logo is engraved on the body. The top button is used for power and focus. The surface attracts fingerprints easily, so keep that in mind. Also, there is no lens cover, which is a drawback. A cover would help keep the lens clean. Now let's power it on and see how it performs. There's also a ceiling mount screw hole under the projector. This portion here allows the projector to tilt outward, and this movement is electrically controlled using the remote. This button right here. The remote they included is quite nice. The buttons feel good. If you slide the back, it opens up, and you can insert two batteries, not included. The remote has a power button, a home button, two LED indicators that blink when pressed, a joystick-like directional pad, a back button, volume rockers, a menu button, Google Assistant voice command button, a mute switch, which also triggers the lift mechanism, focus in/out controls, an input select button, and a settings button for direct access to settings. After powering on, this is the home screen. You can see voice command options, Google Assistant, sleep mode, input selection, settings, time, and apps. Inside all apps, we have the default apps and also Google Play Store, so you can download anything you want directly from Play Store. On the home page, YouTube, Play Store, and test services are already there. You can add items to favorites. For example, I added Netflix. Below, you'll find Google Play services, DAZN, Prime Video, RMC Sports, 2DF, Watch Discover, Yap TV, TuneIn, YouTube Kids, NFL, MLB, and more. There's also a Customize Channels option, where you can set your home screen according to your preference. Let's check video quality. We go to YouTube, open a video. Here's the video quality. Let me increase the sound. I'm turning it off now. The picture quality is very vibrant, with a slight 3D effect. You can also adjust the focus from the remote. Overall, it looks really good. Now let's check the settings. We can see Wi-Fi settings, account options, autofocus, auto screen alignment, auto obstacle avoidance, currently off, and more. You can manually adjust the screen size and alignment, left, right, up, down. Very useful if your wall or placement isn't perfectly straight. There is rotation correction as well for auto adjustment. There's auto position control for tilting the projector up/down. It has bright mode and silent mode. Bright mode makes the fan noise louder but gives better brightness. Silent mode lowers the fan noise but dims the screen slightly. Bluetooth speaker option is available too. You can customize image and sound profiles. In device preferences, you'll find actuator height settings, we saw that earlier, ceiling focus, and more. In input settings, you'll see HDMI control, auto power on/off, and a game mode. Enabling it requires a restart. Next, screen mirroring. Go to Apps arrow eShare. Turn it on. Scan the QR code to install the eShare app on your phone. Install and allow permissions. Once done, you can play anything from your phone and it appears on the projector instantly, smooth and without lag. You can control previous/next from the app. There are 4 tabs: Image, Music, Video, Documents. There's also a separate screen mirroring option. Tap it, confirm the pop-up, choose Share Entire Screen, and your phone screen will appear directly on the projector. You can then play anything: YouTube, videos, apps, and everything works smoothly without lag. The colors look vibrant and natural, even though it's 1080p. Overall, the projector is truly impressive. After spending proper hands-on time with the Dess C4 Pro Smart Projector, one thing becomes absolutely clear. This device is designed to deliver a premium projection experience without making things complicated for the user. From unboxing to setup, everything feels polished and thoughtfully engineered. The electrically adjustable actuator is one of the most impressive features because it gives the projector a motorized lift function that you usually see only in much more expensive models. With just a simple press of a button, the projector can rise, lower, or reposition itself automatically, and that convenience alone elevates the user experience to a whole new level. Next comes the picture quality. Even though this is a 1080p projector, the colors look vibrant, the contrast feels naturally balanced, and the overall output is surprisingly sharp. Autofocus, auto keystone, auto alignment, and obstacle avoidance all work together to make the frame look perfect every time, without you touching anything manually. The built-in Google Play Store is another huge advantage. You don't need any extra device. Just install Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or any app directly from the projector. Screen mirroring and the eShare app also work very smoothly. The sound quality is decent for indoor use, the ventilation keeps the system cool, and the Wi-Fi 6 support ensures fast streaming. The only downside is the missing lens cover, but that's not a deal breaker. Overall, the Dess C4 Pro is a strong recommendation for anyone looking for a premium home theater experience at a reasonable price. If you found this review helpful and want more honest, real-world tech reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. And if you're interested in buying the Dess C4 Pro Projector, check the description below for updated pricing and availability.